Hello and welcome here on the Flying channel. Today it should be a little workflow video where I show the new FLAI AI and also the whole process from flyingresearch.net, how you can then also prepare your designs, prepare your listing, and really make upload ready designs with just a few clicks. This video is recorded end of March 2025 and we celebrate our 5th birthday on the 5th of March. So next week, when you see this video this week here in February, this year is just the beta. It's not live yet and it will be live 5th of March 2025, so next week. And now we jump directly here to my desktop screen. You can see here flyingresearch.net. When you register, when you log in, this is your view, and at the top right next week you will see then also at the top your tokens amount. You can of course then also add tokens in the store. This is not prepared 100% yet, this is why we don't go to the store, but you can add it up here. 250 tokens will be $5. So then we are here, and then we switch here at the top right to the flying upload section and here to the design section, and this is also where the magic will happen. These designs you see here are already all created with the new AI. So basically you just have to hover over any design, click here on this AI icon, and then this here will open. I have here still the old designs, this is why I will remove them. So this is your standard, this is what it will look like when you have selected a design. Then of course you can create here the amount up to 8 per request, and of course you can also select here a version between turbo and between quality. I go back now to one design. Here when you to generate with quality, it costs you 8 tokens, in this case 9, because the prompt is automatically included. Means if I enter our own prompt here, this will drop to 8. So per quality version 8 tokens, and with the turbo version it costs you 5 tokens. We already also here in optimizing the token costs, and we are pretty sure it will reduce over the upcoming weeks and months. But in our case, of course, we need a prompt because we want to generate this image, so we simply click on prompt and then this will be generated within a few seconds. And then of course you can check this prompt, you can also change it. Of course you're free to go here, but we say okay, all fine here, and we want to generate, for example, 3 designs. Then we simply click on generate and then this will happen. And the great thing is you can just wait 5 seconds and simply add up a new generation to the queue. So you're just waiting 5 seconds and then you can generate 8 designs, 8 designs, 8 designs, or how many designs you want, and then you can see here that your designs get generated. You can of course also close this bar here, your designs will stay. You can go to the next design, for example this one, and you can do the same again. You can generate your prompt, and when this is generated you can already click here and make the next designs. Simply close it, open the next one. I mean, you see already how it goes. Generate the prompt and then click on generate again, and the next designs will come up in the queue. So basically what you see here is that you are completely open and you can scale any design and any niche, even if the design is not in merge or in standard t-shirt format yet. The AI will do it for you and will create you all of these designs. So you see we created 12 designs with no effort at all, and every time the actions are successful, you can also see here that your token amounts will get reduced. And you can close this window, you can open it again, you can open it on any image, doesn't matter, and then you have still here your generated designs. So from here on you can of course take several actions. You can also import them into the design management, and of course you can also simply download them directly to your PC. Important to know, these designs will stay as long as you are here in the tab in the mask, or maybe you can also switch to the edit, switch back to designs. The designs will stay. When you close the window or you update the window, load the site completely new, then your designs will currently be gone. This will also be, of course, future improvements. So for example, a prompt history, or also like a storage where all your designs are saved for, let's say, like 7 days. This is all for the future, but for the current version you have to check here when it's generated. You can import into the design management, you can download it, but keep in mind, when you close everything or you log out from flyingresearch.net, these designs will be gone for now. As I just can mention it again, will be changed in the future. And of course, with the designs you generated here, you can also make it like here, so you have a better view. You can do now what you like. This is around 1000 by 1000 pixels. So if you want to upscale yourself, if you want to background remove yourself, you're free to go. You can do this. Flying is completely open here, but of course you can also use the toolset of Flying. For example, I take this one, I want a dinosaur one, and I also want a hiking one, and I want to background remove here. You have here standard and advanced. To be honest, I like standard even a little bit more. Advanced is a little bit more expensive, but standard, yeah, what should I say, it often removes not everything, you know. It's hard to explain. For example, here the eyes are white, and when I click now they will stay white, you know, and they won't be removed because it is not seen as the same color as the background or anything else. But of course you can try like you want, and of course you can also undo actions, so basically or simply go back to the original image. Here you are free to go. For example, here you see that the font was removed instead of the background. This happens sometimes, background removing. Then you can simply change this and go back to the original version. I mean, we can try again, or we basically can try here another one. Maybe this one is better. Let's see. Yep, this one looks much better. And then of course you can also design preview. We have here a small bug. You have to open the preview 2 times to have the slider. This will be fixed when you have the release version. And you see, yeah, it's not ideal, to be honest. It's okay, but it's not ideal. I mean, if you upload it to a black shirt or black colors only, it would work. If you want to also have it like on brighter colors like a red or a blue, maybe you have to remove it again, or you have to check again. We can also check here this image. For example, here the removing is much better. Here probably you can upload it directly also to Amazon Merch. As I mentioned, you're free to go here. If you're free to go here when you say, hey, you want to use your Photoshop, you have your own macro there for background removing, then simply do it. And yeah, then you're free to go here. And of course, when the background is removed, when the image is generated in general, you of course also want to format it to the merge format. Same game here. You can upscale with a tool you like, or with your own, I don't know, program, whatever you have. Or you can also simply use the upscaling of Flying here. It will automatically upscale to 4500 by 5400 pixels, so standard t-shirt merge format. And of course you can also upscale and don't background remove, because you want then to do this on yourself afterwards. You're free to go here. As I said, Flying is completely open here, and you can do how you like. And of course, same game here. When upscaling runs, for example, you could already generate new designs, and you could also close this tab here and work here in the design management, maybe making new prompts, editing new designs, whatever you want, and it will still run in the background. And then when you open again, you see here that the action is still in progress. So these 2 designs are now also upscaled. You can see it here. We already updated these icons, so when something is upscaled, when something is background removed, you can see it always at the top right corner. And then when also this here is upscaled to the merge format, then you can decide. You can still download your designs. You can of course also simply select all and download all, or import all into the design management. In the design management, I think we will also then build single options like upscaling, like background removing, so you don't even have to open the console here. And yeah, for example, these 3 designs I want to now import directly into the design management. Then you can see here that these designs will be prepared and then will be directly imported. And when this has happened, you see that the 3 that are imported are gone here from the menu, and of course with the others you can still continue to work, and you can upscale, background remove, save them, download them, whatever you want. And I told you in the beginning that not just here the image creation is done by FLAI, you can also do the listing part, and this is what I want to show you now. And for this I select the 3 designs I just imported, and I select a 4th design where a listing is already there. And with these 4 images I go into the edit window, and I selected this one because, for example, here my marketplace, my colors, I mean, you can select what you want, you can also select more here, is already like I want it, and then I can simply apply products to, select my 3 designs from now and apply them. I don't need this one, I can simply remove it, and here then already the products, the colors, the prices are already selected like I wanted. And then I just need the listing part. Also here the message tells me, and here of course we also have the AI function listing by vision. Simply select your designs, simply click on generate, and then now all the listings will be created for these 3 designs. And yeah, then you have your upload ready designs, already your products are configured, and then you could, for example, upload it to Merch by Amazon. This here is the Amazon Merch mask, but we also have the global one for Printful, for Printify, for Spreadshirt, or also the display one. Of course, this is the exact same behavior. You can take your settings, you can create your AI listings, and then you are good and ready to go. And I think you have now an idea how it can work. The whole process for completely different niches. I didn't write a single word, I didn't create a single design, it's all just clicks, and the AI is working for me. And I think the strong part here about FLAI is that it has the whole workflow. You know, you don't have to make an extra step in an external program, or maybe this special part you have to do here. You simply can do it all here in the design management, and this is here is just like a first version. You know, you can see for image generating, for how your data is saved, for background removing, etc. All this will of course from here on now will just improve in the future. And yeah, these 3 designs you can now download, you can upload into FLAI Upload, and then you can start the upload to Amazon Merch, for example, or also to Spreadshirt, or also to Redbubble, or into your Shopify store through Printful or through Printify. And yeah, here again, for all the actions, the tokens are taken, and here you can open and still work with the other designs. So no niche and no design is safe anymore with this toolset. I hope you're a little impressed. And next Wednesday we will celebrate our 5th birthday, of course, also with a discount action for yearly packages and also a shop update, but I will make a special video just for this event, so stay tuned. You will see it then on Wednesday. And till then, of course, you can ask questions in the comments. Of course, also when you have any suggestions or recommendations, you can also put it in the comments. Apart from we should add the flux model, because this is already on the list. We get we had this already a few times. And yeah, then I hope you like it and I hope you use it. We would be very, very happy. And then I see you next week when we celebrate birthday. And we also have a look in the store how it exactly looks with the tokens and tokens included in which package. So till then, I wish you a wonderful time, and of course a happy week, a happy weekend. Till then,